Hi, so I'm going to explain how to use the wave on a string simulation for lesson 4. So you're going to click on the PHET simulation and it's going to open up this where it says wave on a string. You're going to push play right here. It's going to open up like this. And we're going to have to set up the parameters before you start the activity. So in the Google Drive, it says setting up parameters, open the simulation. So we did that. In the left-hand corner, click oscillation. Okay, so here we go. So I clicked from manual to oscillate, and what you'll see is now it's making a wave. And then on the top right-hand corner, you're going to click no end. So you see how it's tied to this wrench right now? We want no end. So it's just going to be a wave that is going into infinity, basically. And then at the bottom middle, turn damping all the way down to none. So this is damping, and basically what damping does is it puts like it changes the tension in the, well, it doesn't change the tension, but it changes how the wave works. So we're going to put none, so there's like no friction. That's going to slow down the wave. And then everything else you can keep the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to measure the period of each of the frequencies in the table below on the simulation, and you're going to do this by counting 10 times. So I'm actually going to start the frequency at 0.5, 0.5, what it says. And the best way to do this is to do 10 oscillations with the timer, so you can use the timer here. I would start it when it gets to the top, so there, and 1, and 2, and 3. So you're going to do that 10 times, and then whatever the timer number is, you're going to divide that number by 10 to get the period. And you can round to the nearest like hundredth if you want, or whole number. So you're going to do that for all the different frequencies. So 0.5 to 1 to 1.5 and so on and so forth. And if it gets to be too fast, you can use the slow motion. And what's nice about that is it also slows down the timer. So that can be synchronized that way. So basically this is just to help you see the relationship between frequency and period. And then in the assignment, you're just going to post the numbers you get. We're going to talk about the graph and the equation that goes with this. And that is how you're going to do the Discover It today. All right.